Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So Fenty Beauty is dropping some more new products, you guys, and it's the Pro Kiss'r Lip Balms. So a lot of us are familiar with their original one. It's actually what I have on my lips right now, but they are coming out with shades, y'all. We have 3 new shades. We have Cocoa Drizzle, Pinch Me, and Latte Lips. Also, Fenty is launching a new brow product. This is the Brow MVP Sculpting Brow Wax Pencil and Styler. And you know what? I actually like this launch. I know they just came out with Fenty Skin, which has their toner, their SPF moisturizer, their cleanser, and now they are bringing us more lip balms and a brow product. Y'all, if you are out in public, you know we all have to wear masks in public, but some of us still want to at least do a little bit of something on our face. So you have your skincare, you have your lip balm, you have your brow product. And honestly, that's all you need. If you don't want to wear makeup, but you still want to at least, you know, do a little something to your face, a little something to your lips, your brows, you have it. I don't know, that's just how I look at it, which I think is pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna be swatching all of these with you guys in today's video. I want to go for a really fresh Fenty face, so I'm still gonna be using a little bit of makeup, but not too much of it, and everything is gonna be Fenty. So I'm actually gonna speed through the entire makeup process. I'll have everything that I'm using in the description of my video, like I always do. But I know a lot of you like for me to do my makeup on camera, so that's why I'm not gonna, you know, take that part out. But it's gonna be sped up, and I'm gonna just talk about the lip balms and also the brow product. So yeah, let's do this.
These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No. These days, I don't care for competition. You're the one that's racing. No, I don't really want to talk about what I got coming out next.
So I want to show you guys how my brows look naturally. Honestly, I've never had any issues with my brow hairs. Like, they lay pretty flat. I never really have to use any brow gels to just keep them in place. But since my brows lay so flat right here, like they don't feather out. Like, you don't see that brow feathery look right in here. I at least want to see if I can do it with this brow wax. So let's put this on. Actually, I think you're supposed to apply it first like this. Girl, let me read it. It says it invisibly shapes and sets with flexible hold. And the silicone brush, this right here, is for effortless styling. Okay, let's put the brow wax on first, like that. And then I'm gonna go in, let me scoot up some. I'm gonna go in with the brush, and I really wanna get that feathered look right here, and then let the rest of the brows lay flat. Okay, let me just say, this brush is so nice, y'all. Like, it is grabbing every single strand of hair. Every single strand, you guys. So yeah, I'd rather have my brows look a little fluffy and feathery right here, but then really clean the rest of the way. I don't even need to apply any brow pencil because this is fine right here. Just clean up my brows with the concealer. You know, just put a little concealer under my brows. I feel like this is enough right here. I don't even need to go in with a brow pencil. But do you guys see how this wax just really made my brow hairs look more bushy and feathery right there compared to this one where it's just, you know, it's just laying flat? Another thing that I like about this is it's in one product. Some brow waxes come in like a little pot, and I like how this is one product. You have your brow wax and you have your brush all in one. So now that both of the brows are done, this is how they look. Let me know what you guys think. Let's talk about it down below in the comments. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer under the brows to see how it would look without me applying any brow product. This is my Kevin Aquan The Sensual Skin. I'm just gonna stroke it under the brow. And this is just gonna make the brows look more clean. And I'll only do it under the brow, not over, like not on top, just under it. Look at my brows. I know I look crazy with the concealer because we're not done with the face, but look at my brows, y'all. This brow right here has more hair right in this area than this one. So I'm actually gonna take my brow pencil. This is the Fenty MVP Brow. And I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of it right here, kind of make little hair strokes so it can match up with the other one. But y'all can see I don't even need to apply any of this brow pencil on my brows, like none whatsoever. I'm just gonna take a little bit right in there. All right, that's good enough. I mean, the brows are not supposed to look like identical anyway. Okay, so let me speed through the makeup process, and then I'm gonna come back and swatch and talk about all 3 of the new lip balms.
I'm not showing up to one up just to show up in front of your friends. I don't really want to meet you out just to have something to post about. Lately I get real exhausted by the thought of having to pretend that I had a good time with someone who's just interested in what I got and not who I am. I ain't got the energy. No, no, I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No, no, I ain't got the energy. No, no, for this time that I'm wasting, spent on the surface. I don't wanna fake it, cause I realize that I ain't got the energy. No, no, I ain't got the energy. No, no. And ain't nothing social about the media. Try to get deep, but you draw me about the leader. And it's weighing me down. I'm alone in the crowd. Can't fake it now. Can't fake it now. Now you see why I'm exhausted by the thought of hanging out in public just cause it's a look. No, I won't pretend that I had a good time, cause I ain't got the energy. No, no, I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No, no, I ain't got the energy. No, no, for this time that I'm wasting, spent on the surface. I don't wanna fake it, cause I realize that I ain't got the energy.
All right, girls, so the face is done. This is one of my favorite go-to looks. It's really light and airy. And again, I'll have everything that I use in the description. But now let's get into these lip balms. I'm gonna start out with the lighter shade first, which I think is gonna be Pinch Me. I'll swatch all of them on my hands and then also on the lips. The packaging is, the packaging is the same, but it's the color of the product. So it has the pink color. Let me open all of these. So here they are right here. So you can see that the tube has a little color on it, and then this is the original one right here, which is the clear one. So let me start with the pink one. This is Pinch Me, and I wonder if these are gonna be really sheer or are they gonna be pigmented. Ooh, that's pretty. And they smell just like the other one too, the original one. Kind of have a really light sweet smell, but it's not, you know, too much. Oh yeah, these are pretty sheer, but this is pretty much my lip color. I'm gonna put one more layer. Ooh, I like this color. Oh yeah, definitely. This is a Your Lips But Better color. It's pinky, but it's not too pigmented, and it's just a really cute everyday color lip. Next we have Latte Lips. Ooh, I'm gonna do one more swatch so I can see it better. This is more of a mauve-y nude. Let's see how it looks on the lips. Oh, another natural, okay. Oh yeah. Another natural looking color. So I like how they kept it with the natural lip color instead of going out of the box with, you know, like a bright orange, or you know how sometimes Fenty comes out with blue lipsticks, orange lipsticks, purple lipsticks. So far I like how the lip balms they're really natural, you know? So this is a really pretty natural everyday color. This last one is called Cocoa Drizzle. Yeah, that one's darker than the other two. It's a pretty brown. Okay, let's see how this one looks. Ooh, this is, you can barely see it, but it's kind of giving me, what's that gloss called that they have? I like this one too. I like all three of these, y'all. All three of these. It just kind of depends on what mood I'm in. Like, do I want a soft pinky lip or do I want something like this? It just all kind of depends. So I like how all of these look on my complexion. It's really sheer, it's really natural. So if you've never tried their lip balms, they're not sticky, they're really smooth, and they're just really nice and nourishing on the lips. So I think these are really good if you are wanting just a little bit more color on the lips, especially if you already love their original lip balm. If you want just a tiny bit more color on the lips without having to go in with a lipstick or a lip liner, then these are perfect, you guys. Perfect. So yeah, that is all that I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my little first impression and demo on these new products. Let me know if you guys are gonna get your hands on them. Again, they're gonna be launching on August the 13th. And I do wanna say a huge thank you to Fenty Beauty for sending these products over to me and just letting me try them out before they launch. So that is it, y'all. That is all that I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know by giving this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.